Hi, and welcome to the virtual reality field trip. Today we are going to be going over geometric shapes around Bloomsburg University's campus. And within this activity, the class will be exploring Google Earth, identifying the different shapes being displayed on the campus of Bloomsburg University of Pennsylvania. While you guys are doing this, you will be identifying 2- and 3-dimensional shapes on campus, as well as finishing the sheet provided to you before class starts. So before we can do anything, we have to zoom into Bloomsburg University's campus. And you can see that on Bloomsburg University's main campus, there are a lot of different sites to see. To navigate Google Earth, we use these tools on the sidebar to zoom in or out, move around. You can also use your mouse as well to move around too. But for today, we're going to look directly on Bloomsburg University's campus from an aerial view to start. While you guys are working on your worksheet, you'll be doing the same exact thing as what I'm doing here. So the first question, when looking at Bloomsburg University's campus from an aerial view, what types of shapes do you see on the tops of the buildings? This means the outline of the buildings. And you don't always have to do the ones on the quad. You can also go off and see what other types of shapes there are on the other buildings. Second question, when looking at Bloomsburg University's campus from an aerial view, what types of shapes do you see not regarding the tops of the buildings? This means the quad, the trees, the sidewalks, the cars, the streets, the parking lot, anything that you see that are not buildings or the top of buildings. This also means you can zoom in this way on the 3-dimensional shapes, and you can identify what three-dimensional shapes you see. Now, the questions 3 and 4 are identifying shapes. This pertains to the quad. So from viewing this image, which is shown to be the quad right here, what shape occurs or to be shown? So when going through this worksheet, identify what shape this is. Then for question number 4, it's talking more about the trees. When viewing this image below, what shape do the trees appear to be? So what shape do these trees appear to be on the quad? As a bonus for today's lesson, if you can identify more than 10 shapes, 2- or 3-dimensional, you will receive a ticket to the class store. So when you are done finishing this activity, you can hand this in to me at the end of class, and that will be your exit ticket.